Spicy Franks, is it hot?
Too hot for me. I can't really have hot stuff anymore.
Should have got just a third one, a different flavor.
Oh, it's got sugar.
Don't sneeze on me. I shouldn't have let you smell that, eh?
She sneezes like you do.
Yeah, that was insane.